We are all aware about the nationwide crisis going on because of the coronavirus. Most of the schools in various regions are closed. But in spite of the closure of school, the education for the students have not affected. Education is going on through online method at various levels. But it might happen that because of the ongoing situation, most of the students might be under a lot of pressure. So to reduce the burden of the students, Maharashtra government on 25th July have announced that the portion is being reduced by 25% from class 1 to class 12. So there's a good news for you all. Myself Fareen Sheikh and welcome to IQ Specs. In this series, I will be covering up about the reduced portion for all the subjects. If you think that my videos are informative, do subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Reduce syllabus in Maths 1, that is algebra. Now one thing you have to remember that the syllabus is only reduced for the academic year 2020 and 21. ये सिर्फ यही ईयर के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए है and after that it won't be applicable. So from the first chapter, that is linear equation in two variables. On page number 2, first solve example which is given, that is reduced. Then come to page number 3, second solved example which is given, that is reduced. Come to next page, that is page number 4. इसमें practice set 1.1 first question जो है वो आपको नहीं करना है. Come to next page, that is page number 5. Second question, solve the following simultaneous equation. इसमें से first, second, third, fourth and fifth. These questions you don't have to do. You can do 6, 7 and 8. Then come to page number 16. You can see the activity, complete the following table. This activity is also reduced. You don't have to do this. Next, page number 17. The entire page is reduced. Page number 18 also, the entire page is reduced. Next, from page number 19, this activity, you don't have to do this activity also. Then come to page number 28. इसमें से you can see the question number 6. Solve the following simultaneous equation. From here, you don't have to do any sums. Next chapter, that is quadratic equation. Then come to page number 37. You can see the quadratic equation by completing the squares. So from this, the entire part is cancelled. Next, come to page number 38. The entire page with the solved example is cancelled. From page 39, the example number 2, this. Then from practice set 2.3, all the questions of practice set 2.3 are included in self-study. So in short, all the questions that have been reduced, they are all included in self-study. You can study by your own self, but these questions won't be asked in the examination. From page number 42, the graphical method. This method is also not going to come in the exam. Then from page number 43, the activity which is given here, you have to solve this by using the square method. This is also cancelled. Next, come to page number 46 and page number 47. The entire pages are included in self-study. From page number 49, let's remember, इसमें से second वाला, third and fourth point, ये आपको नहीं करने हैं. Practice set 2.5, इसमें से जो first question है activity, fill in the gaps and complete, इसके सारे तीनों sums you don't have to do. From page number 50, practice set 2.5, fifth and the sixth question. Come to page number 53 now. Problem set 2. Question number 1. Sixth question. Out of the following equation, find the equation having the sum of its root -5. This MCQ you don't have to do. Then come to page number 54. Same problem set, that is problem set 2. From this, question number 10, that is find the quadratic equation such that its roots are square of sum of the roots and square of the difference of the roots of equation. This sum you don't have to do. Next chapter is arithmetic progression. From this chapter, no reduction is there. You have to do the entire chapter. Next chapter, that is the fourth chapter, financial planning. Come to page number 94, the composition scheme. This entire thing is included in self-study. Now all the topics which are included in self-study, so the questions related to those topics are also included in self-study. Come to page number 96, topic that is integrated GST. From this, the entire topic is included in self-study. Then from page number 97, which is related to mutual funds, this entire topic is also included in self-study. Next page, that is 98, topic on share is also included in self-study. Next page, that is 99, is also included in self-study. Next page number 100, entire page, and page number 101 also, the entire page. Page number 102, the example practice set is also reduced, and from page number 103, the entire page. Page 104, the entire page, and page 105, the entire page. Next, page 106, the entire page. Page 107 related to mutual fund is also included in self-study. Next, come to page number 108. This entire page is also included in self-study. So in short, from page number 97 to 108, all the topics related to shares, mutual funds and SIPs are all included in self-study. Now come to page number 111, problem set 4B. From this, entire questions are included in self-study. From page number 112 also, all the questions are included in self-study. Next chapter, that is the fifth one, probability. From this, कुछ भी reduce नहीं हुआ है. So इसमें से सारे questions जो है वो आपको करने हैं. Now come to the last chapter, that is sixth chapter, statistics. In this chapter, come to page number 132, the assumed mean method. This method you don't have to do. So the problems based on this method, that is on page number 133, those problems also you don't have to do. Next page, that is page 134. These sums are also based on the assumed mean method, that is also cancelled. Then next, step deviation method, which is on page number 135. This method also you don't have to do. उसके बाद come to page number 136. This is also based on the step deviation method. So this is also included in self-study. Come to page number 137. The solved examples are also of the same method. So you don't have to do this also. अब आ जाओ पेज नंबर 138 पर, प्रैक्टिस सेट 6.1. इसमें से क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 जो है दैट इज इंक्लूडेड इन सेल्फ स्टडी. 4, 5 and 6. These questions are included in self study. So in short, you have to do only question number 1 and question number 3 in this. Next, come to page number 159. Topic is reading of pie diagram. This topic is also included in self-study. So in short, all the sums which are related to pie diagrams are also included in self-study. Next page, that is page number 160. The example which is based on the pie diagram, that is also included in self-study. Next, come to page number 164, practice set 6.6. इसमें से question number 5 and question number 6 which is based on pie diagram, that is included in self-study. Next, come to page number 165, miscellaneous problems. From this, question number 2 and question number 4 is excluded. Next, come to page number 167. इसमें से question number 14, that is observe the adjacent pie diagram. So all the pie diagrams questions are excluded. So this question is also excluded. Next, come to page number 168. इसमें से question number 16 जो है that is also included in self study. Now ये जो सारे questions जो self study में include किए हुए हैं या फिर reduce किए हुए हैं, ये सारे questions won't be coming in your examination. But you can do it for your self study. It's better to at least just go through once ताकि हर चीज से you get the knowledge only. So it's better to gain the knowledge.